Y'all have spoken on Instagram. Y'all want me to move my setup to here, so we're gonna make a video about that today. And since some of you guys wanted to see my setup, here it is, messy as hell. That's why I wanna move it and clean it up and get it looking all nice. So we're gonna move it to this corner. This video is gonna be stretched into a 2-day time span because I don't feel like cleaning and then moving the setup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean today right here. I'm gonna clean all this corner. Then we're gonna start moving some stuff, a lot of stuff. So hope you guys are gonna stay. Sure to grab a drink, grab some popcorn, grab something to eat because this is gonna be a long one. Let's get it. Alright, so we got the time-lapse camera right here. Let's hit it. Alright guys, so we got this corner done right here. I went through those dressers right there and got some stuff done. Cleaned all underneath there. Gonna organize and put some more stuff under there though.
A few moments later.
Alright, what's up guys? It's day 2. Time to start moving. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna move this to like bearish area. Move the whole setup to right here. Then move this little desk in the corner somewhere over here, and then we're gonna move this out of the way, putting this over there, and that should be it. So let's get started at it. Cue to the time lapse. Alright, so we got the setup in the corner as you can see, and now I'm gonna move the time-lapse camera because we're gonna move this table right next to here.